if you do by integration by parts, considering 1 by x as a algebraic and tan inverse x as an inverse trigonometric functions, that will be very much lengthy and it will be very much complicated one. Now let's solve this by substitutions. Now I will substitute this, okay? X equals to 1 by t. Let's see how it comes. Now if I substitute x equals to, let's substitute x equals to 1 by t, then dx equals to minus 1 by t square dt. Okay? And what about limits? Limit is 1 when x tends to half, then t tends to 2. Okay, similarly, when x tends to 2, t tends to half. Therefore, this integral become what? Limit is become 2 to half tan inverse x is what? 1 by t. Okay. And then what is dx? Dx is what? Dx is what we have minus 1 by t square dt. What is x? Okay. X is what? X in terms of t is what? X is what? 1 by t. Okay. Now this t and this t, 1t gets cancelled. So I can write like this. This is same as minus, I have 2 to half tan inverse 1 by t. Here I will get t dt. Now this, let's remove this minus. So this minus we can remove by changing limits. Here this is what, let's change 2 to will be what? Half to 2. Okay, I already removed minus. Now this limit is from half to 2, all are positive, so I can write tan inverse 1 by t is same as cot inverse t. Okay, so I can write this is same as, I will write over here, this is same as half to 2 cot inverse x upon, sorry, cot inverse t upon t dt. Okay, now since it is different integral, so if I can change, if it is x also, if it is x also, if it is dx also, no problem. Okay, now therefore this and this, okay, therefore this and this are same. Okay, so I can write here, over here, this implies I equals to this. Okay, now if I add these two, okay, if I add these two, what I get is become twice I equals to, on the left hand side, on the right hand side, what I have is limit is from half to 2. I have tan inverse x plus cot inverse x upon x dx. Okay, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is what? Pi by 2. Okay, here is equals to half to pi by 2. Pi by 2 I can take outside. Pi by 2, here 1 by x dx. Here I have 2i. Okay, here 2i, therefore I equals to pi by 4. Now integration of 1 by x is what? Log of x, limit is from half to 2. Okay, therefore here what we have is pi by 4, upper limit was log of 2 minus log of half. Okay, 1 by 2 is equals to pi by 4 log of 2 minus, here I can say log of, this is log of 1, log of m by n is log m minus log n. Okay, here this is minus, actually this. Okay, here I can cite here log of 2. Now here if I send this become a plus. Okay, this become a plus over here, so I will have 2 log 2 minus 1. Okay, so this you can keep, or you can bring this log 2 square, or you can keep like this. Okay.